So my name is Rohit Reddy.
I'm part-time psychologist.
I'm an HR professional.
I'm in a hospital management.
I'm in 8th grade.
I have been undergoing a health issue called vertigo.
I'm in postpartum depression.
16 years back, my nose was two bulging and one bending.
I was also having a lot of PTSD related effects. I didn't have a routine.
So I was not able to concentrate on my work.
Overweight, overthinking, skin rashes, abnormal sleeping habits.
So there were multiple issues. Sleep related issues were also some of the ones that I was kind of battling. And that's when I actually stumbled on this program.
So after 1 or 2 days only, I was feeling much better. I written it in the paper and I was observing it.
And my thought process had changed completely, sir.
And especially the yoga nidra part and the other breathing exercises.
And of course, related digestive problems. So which have also shown great deal of improvement.
I started walking. I was way more creative.
Earlier, we never felt the importance of anything which is there in our life.
My mindset completely changed, sir. I used to see everything in a positive way.
The heart rate and no sugar and managing and getting more calm, managing the anger and feeling more calm.
And I used to get irritated on my kids, but now I'm playing with them. The environment in the house is slowly getting changed.
And I am enjoying with my children, and I am enjoying with all the colleagues in the workstation.
Thank you so much is what I can say, sir.
Take it seriously and try this. This is really going to help. Without no medicines, no drug is required. Just prana is the important.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you, sir.
All the people who is watching, if you want to be part of it, you can join the 2 days workshop. I'm leaving the link in the chat box, like in the comment section description. So you can click on that link and you can be part of our 2 days workshop and understand the importance of breathing, how breathing is connected with every system of our body. So with this, thank you so much.